Chicken Bhuna Masala recipe. Chicken Bhuna Masala is a popular Indian dish that is rich, flavorful, and spicy. Here's a recipe you can follow to make it. Ingredients: 500 grams boneless chicken, cut into small pieces. 2 onions, chopped. 3 to 4 garlic cloves, minced. 1-inch piece of ginger, grated. 2 to 3 green chilies, chopped. 2 to 3 tomatoes, chopped. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon coriander seeds. 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. 1 teaspoon salt or to taste. 3 tablespoons vegetable oil. Fresh coriander leaves for garnish. Instructions: in a pan, dry roast the cumin seeds, coriander seeds, and fennel seeds until fragrant. Grind them to a fine powder. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Add onions and sauté until golden brown. Add garlic, ginger, and green chilies. Sauté for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add the ground spices, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and garam masala powder. Stir well. Add chopped tomatoes and cook until they turn mushy. Add the chicken pieces and salt. Stir well to coat the chicken with the masala. Cook on low heat until the chicken is cooked through and the masala is thick and coats the chicken. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve hot with rice or naan. Enjoy your delicious chicken Bhuna masala.